Hi, thanks for joining me. I've got a golden idea for you today. It's a simple communication tool that most people overlook, the mini story. We all know storytelling is powerful. The problem is, there's often not time for a full story in a conversation, meeting, or presentation. A mini story is an extremely condensed narrative that contains only the fascinating core. Here are some examples. In 1982, a truck driver tied 42 weather balloons to a lawn chair, sat in the lawn chair, rose to 16,000 feet, and survived. A Brazilian con artist with no soccer skills fooled multiple professional teams into signing him. A Zen master visited a Zen themed restaurant. The manager asked him to leave because he was taking photos and ruining the atmosphere. A baseball player's knee injury ended his minor league career with the Detroit Tigers. So he started Little Caesars. Years later, he bought the team that had released him. Long stories can take too much time. Use mini stories. They're entertaining, memorable, and fit naturally into any conversation. Like, subscribe, and tell me your favorite mini story in the comments. That's it for today. See you soon.